Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be learning how to turn off Fallout Shelter's tutorial. Whenever you open up Fallout Shelter, you will be guided through some tips and tutorials where it says useful hints. If you want to turn these tips off, all you can do is to go ahead and tap on the tablet icon at the bottom right, and then from the menu that pops up, click on the gear button. Now where you see tips option, make sure to tap on the slider and make sure that it turns to the off level. Once you turn off the tips, you will then be able to disable the tutorial for Fallout Shelter. And that's how you can easily turn off the tutorial on Fallout Shelter. If you ever want to turn the tutorial on again, get back to the same menu and tap on the off button right next to tips, and you can get back to the game and you will be provided with tips instantly. So that's how you can easily turn off tutorials on Fallout Shelter game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.